Hey folks, this episode is sponsored by City Traders Imperium. Now, what you might not know is CTI has the best funded account conditions up to $2 million, which is the most in the industry. Now, go check out the video I recorded with them to learn more about their incredible package where Trading Nut listeners get an exclusive deal. It includes access to their high-performance trader mastermind and funding program. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or above and go check out that video.
For now, if price goes up for providing a better opportunity, I will think about it. But this is the next support where I will be looking, as you can see, very strong one, where I'll be looking for buy setups or sell setups here. I will not look from H1, where I will keep it from daily time frame. Okay, so if price goes up, the risk reward would be so tempting and so good, it would be like 4R, then I would take it. But for now, not. Okay, so we just missed it. Let's wait for this area. Okay, so now as it approaches this area, I will zoom in to try to find. We already have a divergence, a very strong one. So I'm definitely looking for buy setups. So lower lows, higher lows. That's one. Approaching a support. That's two. Now I'm looking for a trigger. The trigger may be, for example, we are still not sure yet. It's still forming. Price is now trading inside this channel. So let's scroll and see how it goes. Okay, so let me check the support again. Yes, we want to approach this one further. Okay, now it's getting better. The more it tests the area, the better the setup will be. Perfect. So we are still around our lower one. So this one acts as an over sold area in this case. So we are still good. Perfect. Now let's see if price would form a third swing high around this trend line. Okay, it has to touch the previous one, of course, like this. So let's see. Nice. So now we've got a double bottom pattern, a trend line, a divergence, and the support. So it's a very good setup. I will, of course, buy this one. For extra confirmation, I wait for this one. Okay, because we have a minor area here. So I will not buy if a candle closes above this area or the trend line. I will wait for this one. And here's our double bottom pattern. So it would be interesting. Let's see if this one goes well. So here we've got 4 confluences, so it should be fine. Okay, waiting for that momentum, big candle close above this area, of course from H1. Okay, so we've got this one. On the daily, the momentum is clearly shifted. We have this big wick from the downside, so we are still fine. I'll wait for one more candle, it's okay, but just to confirm it, because I don't like that big wick from the upside. Yes, so now I'm fine. I will enter buy now. So first the stop loss, I will put it below like this. 204.
204, yeah.
Okay, sorry. Okay, good.
Yep.
We enter buy. I will target, because as mentioned, I've already got some profits. I will target, let's see if we can get 2R. This one, we only get 2R here. You know what? I will target 2R only for now. Okay, let's do it. Let's see from daily. Okay, perfect. We are targeting this area. So let's see.
Oh, you're up 1.5R on this current trade
Yes,
by the looks of
yes.
it. Yeah.
I moved my stop loss to break even since
Yep.
the 3+1 are here. But what I'm thinking about is that I will remove my take profit.
Okay.
But first, I want to see the reaction here, right? So I'll make it a little bit higher now, just to see the reaction from daily time frame. And then we'll decide if we'll close it around 2R or we'll keep it. Okay, so I will zoom into H. When I do this, I don't do it personally on my personal account. I'm like a robot. But for now, here's the previous swing low, right? So we're in an uptrend, and the bullish trend is very, very strong. So if price now breaks below the previous swing low, it means that the sellers are now kicking in, especially that we have a divergence forming now. And when a new swing low, major swing low is formed, I will move this box again. Okay.
Yep.
So we're still fine. Now, if we have another bullish candle here, then I will move the box till here. Okay, perfect. So here's the box would be here. Where's the take profit? Okay, we're still fine. Okay, so now, nice. So it's really interesting. So price can still reject from here or can still go up till here, because as mentioned previously many times, that this is the entire area like this. Okay, so now this area is...
Hey guys, quick message from my sponsor Sage Capital. Now they provide education software and tools needed to increase anyone's ability to trade more successfully. Perfect for people who are either still learning, too busy, or just want to use professional grade strategies to build passive income. They've achieved high returns with relatively low risk and are available for auto copying today. Go to sagecapital.co.uk or click the link above and start auto trading today.
It's a very good area. So what I will do, I will move it away as well. You know what? I'll not keep moving it away. Let's put it here, and okay, let's do it. So now I'll be waiting. So I'm still fine. I'm sitting around 4R. So if price breaks it downward, I will get like 3.5R.
Yeah.
Yes. So I always think in terms of risk to reward.
Yeah.
So the reward would be huge if price continue to trade higher, but I'm only risking like 0.5R. Right, so either I lose 0.5R or I gain like 2 or 3R more. So let's do it. Okay, so now this is the major swing high. If price now forms a new swing high, then I would move the box. Okay, perfect. So this is the new swing low. Sorry, it's a swing low, not high. Okay, and this is going well. The uptrend is really strong, so that's why I'm feeling good to let it run. Okay, so if price breaks below it, then we closed around 2R. Okay, now if we get another big bullish candle, then we'll move the box, but let's keep it here because there is no difference between these two. Okay, perfect. I move the box around here or around here. Because I don't want it to go to close a small candle here and then I would close it and then price would go up. So let's make it safer.
You're currently close to the high score at the moment. You still got one trade though. You're
nice.
at 864, so you've got another $40 and you'll hit the high score, but you've got another trade. So
yes,
if you lose that trade, you obviously,
yes.
you know.
We'll see, but maybe the next one will hit stop us, right?
Yeah.
So now it's sitting around an interesting area. It's a very strong supply area, but it's okay. I will keep following this trading stop, manual trading stop, until maybe price goes around here. And of course, price can still go down and can kick me out, and will close the trade. I personally, in this case, I don't like to move my stop loss. I just close it manually because if I put my stop loss here, price can still go down, make a wick, and then reverses, right? So I like to close it manually. Okay.
So he gets a new high score here, guys. You're gonna have to give this a like, surely. If you're watching, you're gonna have to hit the like button. He's currently very close to the 9. You've just surpassed it now. Well, yeah, you've just surpassed it. So 9. Oh, it keeps dropping down. You had it there for a bit.
It's okay. If it closes below, I'll close it with like 3R maybe. Let's see. Okay, now I move the box. Okay, so we've got a new high. So major, sorry, I keep on saying high and low, low, low. Okay, so we've got a major low. Now if price closed below it, I will close it. Okay, perfect. I move it. Nice. It's a very, very strong trend. You know, that's what I gave an example. If I put my stop loss here, it may kick me out here. So it's better to wait for a candle close. Okay, so now we've got like a head and shoulders pattern forming, and we are sitting around the supply zone, and we have a divergence. So, and it's still an idea, right? The head and shoulders is still an idea until it gets activated. So now if this one goes down and break this one, I close my buy and sell. Okay, because I have the conditions met for the sell: supply, divergence, and a pattern. Let's see. Okay, for the head and shoulders, it has to be like this and this. Okay, didn't close momentum yet.
It's close, isn't it?
This one is really getting tricky. I'm thinking in terms of many things, and the PNL and the competition and so now what I'm thinking for the bullish trend to resume, it has to break out. Well, this one we have like a channel. So let's see if this one would end up being a reversal or a trend following. If it would be a trend following, then it would be fantastic. Okay, perfect, nice. So now we've got a trend following setup. I will delete this one. We don't need it anymore. We are fine. Let me adjust this area. Let me be honest, I'm getting really lucky here.
You're currently got a high score. If you get another $100 odd, even if you lose the last trade, you'll still come out top. So that's sort of what you're going for now. You need another about 150, maybe 175 bucks. And then you come out top even if you lose the last trade.
Nice. Let me try and do that. Maybe the next one I can also be flexible. If it hits stop loss, I would be fine. So we'll try to get an entry with a big reward, small stop loss and big reward. But let's see how this one ends first, and we'll decide.
Yeah.
So yes, this one is still fine. The daily candle closed above the high. Anyway, I will not close it unless it closed below this one. So let's wait for it. Okay, nice. So I will keep the box here, and I believe it may end up around the next resistance. Then we'll be looking for sell here.
So this is potentially a new high score. In fact, if you close now and you lost the next trade, you would have the high score. But I don't think you're going to do that, right? You're just going to carry on doing what you're doing.
Yes. So, okay, let's continue.
It's a strong as trend, isn't it? It's
Really?
Ridiculously strong.
I told you I'm really getting lucky here. Maybe it's a good trade, but I didn't expect that movement.
No, there's been it's not broken that trend at all, has it?
Especially that it broke this resistance. So I entered here around support. So usually I close it when it reaches this area, which would be around 2R in our case. But I let it run and it broke it upward, and we kept trading our stop loss. So maybe now it's going to hit this resistance. And even if it hits this resistance, I will keep doing this. Maybe it will break it also. I don't know. So let's see. Okay, so now we've got this wick, but it didn't close below this one yet. So we are still fine. We have reversions forming a double top. Okay, still fine. Okay, so this is a wick. If we've got another bearish candle, we'll close it. Okay, done. Okay, I will close the buy. Okay,
cool.
Nice.
Cool. Okay, brilliant. You're currently sitting at 10.29. Yeah, 10.29% profit.